Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm just about to walk out the door. It's the end of the day and we've been filming on this Vito all day. And I said to Chris, what are you up to? And he said, I've got to do my tractor wheels. So he's not even here. I'm going to do a cutting. He did say we need to start doing a few more Sunday videos. Now we're getting a few light hours and I know you're all really interested in Chris's farm and what he gets up to the point where I even told him once to start a little Chris's farm channel, but he said no, people do enjoy it on our channel, so we are going to continue to put the odd one out on our channel. So Chris's tractor, he put a front loader on it a couple of years ago now. He bought from Kubota, a place that was shutting down, and he put a front loader on his tractor. Now quite a lot of you, especially you slightly mature chaps, will recognise this wheel. It's actually off Chris's tractor. It's not one that he's fitted. They come on it, believe it or not. Made in Japan. Where he put that front loader on, he noticed that these wheels started to crack quite badly. So what he's actually done to get him out of trouble in the past, you can see he's welded up the cracks and then they've still gone bad. So he's actually welded quite thick spacers over the top there, or washers, and they haven't cracked. They have been okay since, but he said it's not ideal. They're just going to get worse and worse. Actually, I think on the other wheel he has actually found another crack, and he said they're just going to keep getting worse and worse. So he done a bit of research. He actually bought these on eBay, these thick plates, and what he's actually going to do is cut the centre out of it and actually remove all of this on the wheel and then put a new piece in there. These holes are just for counterweights, but he said he's not going to need them because he's got a front loader on it anyway. So I'm going to cut it there and then we'll just roll straight over to Chris, and I'll text him and tell him to do a bit of videoing and a bit of time lapsing. I know quite a lot of you will find that interesting, especially as he's going to be cutting that out, I think, with the plasma cutter.
Right, let's try it on the tractor, see if it fits.
You would have seen there, Chris filmed all of that live himself and a bit of time lapse where he cut out that centre with the plasma cutter and then got that new centre in there absolutely bang on. He has just tacked it on there for now, and that's purely down to trying it on the tractor, making sure it's all right. What did you do, spin it by hand? Yeah. Just to see how true it is? Yeah. And how did that come out?
Yeah, perfect.
He's got the next one just here, ready to go, and that is ready to weld in the wheel, and that's the centre that you've cut out of that one. Yeah. And you can see those fractures now.
And I previously welded them
a couple
of times.
I'll put that in there, yeah. So hopefully, I mean, is this a bit thicker or is it a little bit thicker? Yeah. So hopefully that's going to work out. What's the plan now then, Chris? You're going to get the other one done?
I'm actually going to fully weld that one, I think.
Because you're happy with it?
Yeah, put it back on, and then I can move the tractor and get the one off the other side.
Right, we'll let you carry on with that then, mate.
So that's them both tacked together now. It's just a case of fully seam welding both of them. I'll film some of it, I won't film it all because it'll get a bit boring after a while. That'll probably do. You get the gist of what I'm doing. I'll cut back in once I've finished welding. So quite a quick job there really to get those welded. I don't know how well that's going to show up on camera, but really pleased with how they came out. Long time since the weld has been turned up that high onto full power. For anyone that was wondering, these are, the plates are 6mm and the original centres were 4mm. So hopefully I've rectified the problem and I don't have any more trouble. But that's about it. I am going to order new tyres for these, but what I'll probably do is, once that cools down, is put the valve back in, blow it up, and that'll go back on the tractor temporary. And then when the new tyres arrive, I will take them back off, have them sandblasted, or have the rims sandblasted I should say, and repaint them so they look brand new when the new tyres go on. That's the plan anyway. Let's get the other one welded now.
Back on the road, happy as a pig in you know what. Farmer Chris cutting his edges. He's driving mad not having that tractor working, because as we know, he likes to keep everything perfect. Well, they look alright, mate.
Yeah, fine. Well, alright.
Trouble is, how long's this been off the road, so to speak, now?
Oh, for a while.
So you got a lot of catching up to do. Let's see it in action, mate. I've got the sun in me glare here. You wouldn't want to get your finger caught in that, would you? Mate, do you know what? I think that'll do for a Sunday. You got anything to add to the end of the video?
That's a wrap.
Righto. We'll see you all back on Monday.